Hi, welcome to my ThingLink second grade science lesson on plants. The first link is a colorful poster that lists 6 parts of a plant with a description. This link is a creative video on plants. The video covers types of plants, discusses parts of the plant and their purpose, what plants need to grow, and how they make their own food through photosynthesis. The third link is a website that expands the knowledge of photosynthesis. It breaks the parts of the plant responsible for photosynthesis and how photosynthesis benefits the plant and the environment. The final link is a video of a plant from seed to sprout. It covers the life cycle of the plant and recognizes each part of the plant as it grows. The age-appropriate lesson covers the basic knowledge that students should understand about plants. Each link builds on a concept from a previous link. The lesson includes visual and auditory learning and is colorful, fun, and engaging.